All right, check out this little speaker. This is cool. It's suction cupped to my fridge and my computer. And because it's bone conduction, it's pushing the sound and making it really, really big. Like watch, when I take this off, it's not as loud. I place it on my desk, it gets even louder. If I pull it up, it's not as loud. It's one of the most interesting little speakers I've ever seen before. Completely bone conduction capability. You can hear it without, suction cupping it, but the idea is you suction cup it, and then whatever it is that you put it against becomes basically part of the speaker. So unique, so stinking cool. Got little lights changing on it as well. So yeah, you gotta check these out. This is so cool.